Okay, students. So today we have studied up to what? This fiber optic cable. Okay, we have studied up to fiber optic cable. Okay, now we will discuss. This comes under wired media. Okay, now we will discuss about what wireless media we will discuss. Okay. So what is a wireless media? See, just like physical media, wireless media such as microwave, infrared radio waves and Bluetooth are also used to transmit data. Okay. To transmit data, we can use what? Wireless media, and the technology included here are what? Your microwave, your infrared waves and what? Bluetooth. Okay. Now we will see about what? Network devices. What is network devices? We will understand so that you can understand this transmission medium. Okay. Now see what is network devices. Okay, different types of hardware devices are required to create a network. Okay, you need what? Network interface card. You need a what? Modem. Okay, so what is network interface card? See what is network interface card? To allow computer to talk to each other, a device called network interface card is needed that has a unique address. Okay, this ensure that when information is transferred goes to the correct user. So it is the work of what? Network interface card. Okay, so network interface card example can be modem. Okay, so what is a modem? See, modem means it converts your, first of all it converts your analog to digital. Okay, and at the receiver side what it does, see here it is given. Okay, this is what? A digital signal. Okay, now it is converted by modem to a what? Analog signal, and after that this modem again converts this into digital signal and it goes to this computer. Okay, see, from this computer digital signal, modem converted analog signal, then again modem, then it goes to what? Becomes another, it becomes again digital signal and goes to this computer. Okay, see now we'll discuss. See, modem stands for what? Modulator and demodulator. Okay, this is what modem stands for. Okay, which means to convert analog signal to digital and vice versa. Vice versa মানে উল্টা, ঠিক আছে? Analog signal to digital and vice versa. Computer information is stored in the computer in a digital form. Okay, modem converts it into analog form so that it can be sent on telephone lines. Okay, earlier your internet used to come with what? This telephone lines. Okay, now fiber has come, so it became different. Okay, when the signal reaches the receiving computer, this is the receiving computer. Okay, when the signal reaches the receiving computer, the receiving modem there converts the analog signal into again what? Digital signal. Okay, so this is the thing. This computer I have already explained, modem, it becomes analog signal, then again modem, this is the modem. Okay, again it becomes what? Digital signal. Okay, now we will discuss about hub and switch. Okay, see what is hub and switch. So this is your hub and switch. See, this is the diagram is given here. Okay, this is the diagram of both. This is a diagram of a computer network. Okay, see both hub and switch have multiple ports. So see, this is the ports. Okay, यहाँ पे जो छोटे छोटे दिख रहे हैं ना, the dots you are seeing here. Okay, this is what? Your port. Okay, with these ports these computers are connected. Okay, these ports, with these ports, from this port these computer are connected and this is connected to a main machine. Okay, so this is what, how data transmission take place. Okay, see both hub and switch are multiple ports that facilitate connecting device. Facilitate mane helps. Okay, in short you can say it helps connecting device to a network together. So this is your network. Okay, this particular thing is your network. The way data is transmitted is different. Hub broadcast data to all the devices connected to the broadcast data to all the devices connected to the hub. See, this is the device, this is the device, this is the device, everything is connected to what? This hub. Okay, and data is transmitted is different. Hub broadcast data to all the devices. Okay, from this hub all the devices are connected, so it broadcasts data. Okay, it sends data to all the devices connected to the hub. This increases the data traffic in network. Switch identifies what? The device for which the data is sent and sends it to that device only. Okay, but switch, what it does, that only one computer is required. Okay, so it will redirect the data to only that computer, not to the other computer. Okay, so this is the function of switch. See, this is switch. Okay, this is switch. Okay, this is your switch. Okay, this particular thing is your switch. Now you study what is bridge. Okay, bridge is a device used to connect two similar networks. Okay, so what is bridge? It is used to connect to similar network. Suppose one computer is connected to another computer with the help of what? A LAN cable. So we will use a bridge. Okay, now gateway. What is gateway? Gateway is a device used to connect it to dissimilar network. See, this is the difference between bridge and gateway. In bridge, two similar networks are connected, and in gateway, two dissimilar networks are connected. Okay, similar network মানে সমান সমান network, আর dissimilar মানে different network. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Now you will discuss about router. Okay, see, this is your router. Okay, now what is the definition that say a router is like a traffic policeman. Okay, মানে router এ তোমার রাউট করে প্যাকেটস, ঠিক আছে, যে এইখানেই যাইতে লাগবো, ঠিক আছে। ট্রাফিক পুলিশে যেমন তোমরা বদরপুর পয়েন্টটা দেখিও, ট্রাফিক পুলিশ দাঁড়ানি থাকে, কেউ যদি দেখে যে ওদিক থেকে আই যার উল্টা দিকে, তেহারে কি তা করে ঘুরাইয়া অন্যদিকে ফাটাই দেয় না নি। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ওয়ার্ক অফ এ রাউটার। রাউটার ইজ লাইক এ ট্রাফিক পুলিশম্যান, ইট ডাইরেক্টস নেটওয়ার্ক ট্রাফিক। এখানে তোমার গাড়ির ট্রাফিক ইয়ে করে, কিন্তু বাট ইন ইন্টারনেট criteria it controls what? A network traffic. Okay, see, when we send data through a network, the data gets divided into tiny packets. Okay, যদি আমরা ডাটাটা নেটওয়ার্ক দিয়ে পাস করি, পুরো ডাটাটা একলগে যায় না। হ্যাভ ইউ সিন when you download songs, it comes in parts, no? 10%, 12%, 13%. See, it is downloaded into tiny packets, and based on the bandwidth, your speed, on your speed, the quickly these packets will what? Reach to your end. Okay, so all the packets, see, what is it written? All the packets, see, let me zoom. Wait, see, all the packets do not take the same path. Okay, a router determines the fastest available. Okay, wait a minute. A router determines the fastest available path. Okay, যে path দিয়া তাড়াতাড়ি যেতে পারো, মানে কইতে গেলে শর্টকাট কইতে গেলে, হ্যাঁ। When the packet reach their final destination, they may reassemble into the original message. Okay, যখন দেখো গান ডাউনলোড করে নিলে, তো গানটা কি তা আধা আধা শুনোনি, পুরো গানটাই তো পাই যাও না লাস্টের দিকে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য থিং। ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য ওয়ার্ক অফ এ রাউটার। সো ইফ এনিওয়ান আস্ক ইউ হোয়াট ইজ আ রাউটার, ইউ উইল রাইট দ্য আনসার ফ্রম হেয়ার টু হেয়ার। ওকে, now there are different types of network. This is very important. Okay, এটা স্টার মারিয়া রাখিও, হ্যাঁ, this is very important. Network types of network based on area covered. সব এরিয়ার লিগা ডিফারেন্ট ডিফারেন্ট নেটওয়ার্ক আছে। ছোট এরিয়ার লিগা একটা আছে, মিডিয়াম এরিয়ার লিগা একটা আছে, বড় এরিয়ার লিগা একটা আছে। ওকে, see, network are generally categorized on the basis of geographical area that they span. Okay, on the basis of area they may be divided into four types. What are these four types? This is span, this is LAN, this is MAN, and this is WAN. Okay. See, what is a PAN? Now we'll discuss what is a PAN. Stands for Personal Area Network. Okay. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. It connects personal digital device. Personal মানে ঘরের মধ্যে যেটা আছে, like computer, mobile phone, printer within a range about 30 feet. তো রেঞ্জটা কত হইলো 30 feet. Okay. Generally, in a small office, wireless technology such as Bluetooth lets the user to connect wirelessly within a short range. দেখছো নি যে ঘরের মধ্যে ব্লুটুথ স্পিকার ইউজ করি আমরা, তো ব্লুটুথ স্পিকার দিয়ে কিটা করা যায়, একটা ব্লুটুথ স্পিকার রে একটা ফোনেই কানেক্ট করা যায়, ঠিক আছে, বা তুমি পিসি কানেক্ট করতে পারো, কিন্তু ব্লুটুথটা বেশি দূরে যায় না, একদম ঘরের ভিতরে থাকে। সো দিস ইজ নোন এজ হোয়াট PAN। ওকে, এক্সাম্পল ইজ এ ব্লুটুথ নেটওয়ার্ক। Now see what is LAN. Okay, what is LAN? LAN stands for what? Local area network. Okay, it connects personal computers. Personal computers মানে তোর এখানে তো মোবাইল টোবাইল কানেক্ট করতে লাগে, বাট ইন LAN you will connect what? Computers. Okay, different computers will connect. Okay, so what are the example? Workstation and other devices like printer, scanner, and in a limited geographical area। মানে ধরো তোমার স্কুলের বিল্ডিং এ তুমি কম্পিউটার গুলা কানেক্ট করতে হয়, সিসিটিভি কানেক্ট আছে না তোমরা সিস্টেমের দিকে স্কুলের মধ্যে, তো এটা ল্যান্ড নেটওয়ার্কে কানেক্ট হয়, তোমার স্কুলেরটাই কানেক্টেড থাকে কিন্তু অন্য মানে স্কুলের লগে কানেকশন থাকে না, তোমার স্কুলেরটাই কানেক্টেড থাকে। তো এখানে আমরা কিটা ইউজ করি? ল্যান্ড নেটওয়ার্ক ইউজ করি। ওকে, now we will discuss MAN. Okay, what is MAN? MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network। ধরো খালি বদরপুরের লিগে। ওকে, for example, take it as Bodalpur. A man interconnects user with computer resources in a geographical area like a city. Okay, ধরো এখন প্যারাগনের 3-4টা স্কুল আছে, 3-4টা স্কুলরে আমি কেমনে কানেক্ট করব? থ্রু দিস ম্যান নেটওয়ার্ক। ওকে, সো দিস ম্যান নেটওয়ার্ক উইল ইউজ, বাট ইট লিমিটস টু এ সিটি। খালি বদরপুরের মধ্যে কাম করবো, শিলচর যেতে পারতো, ঠিক আছে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য থিং। A Scottish man called Fatman first a Scottish man called Fatman links universities all over the Scotland with a fiber optic cable. Okay, তো একটা স্কটিশ মানে কি করছে, যতগুলা ইউনিভার্সিটি আছে স্কটল্যান্ডের, দ্য ডিফারেন্ট ইউনিভার্সিটিজ অফ স্কটল্যান্ড, হি কানেক্টেড ইট। ওকে, ডিফারেন্ট ইউনিভার্সিটিজ, ডিফারেন্ট কম্পিউটার, হি কানেক্টেড ইট with what? This network. Okay, man network. Okay, so man is limited to what? A city. Okay, so this is what man states. Now we will discuss about what? WAN. Okay, what is WAN? WAN stands for what? Wide area network। মানে পুরাটা তুমি বুঝছো, পুরো শিলচরও কানেক্ট করতে হয়, বদরপুরও কানেক্ট করতে হয়, আসামও কানেক্ট করতে হয়, তাইলে কিতা করতে হয়, আসামে যতগুলো স্টেট আছে তাইলে তুমি WAN নেটওয়ার্ক ইউজ করবে। ওকে, WAN stands for wide area network। Computers in WAN spread over a large geographical area। ওই তো কইছিলাম না এরিয়া বুঝিয়া, ডিপেন্ডিং অন দ্য এরিয়া। This area can be as large as a country or the entire world। Okay, so internet is an example of WAN কইতে পারো। হ্যাঁ, computers in WAN communicate with telephone lines, satellite links, etc. Okay, the internet is a wide area network। Okay, দেখো আমি এখনই কইছি না, internet is a wide area network, millions of computers are connected to it। with internet we can share information, view emails, discuss our favorite topics and etc। তখন ইন্টারনেটের থ্রু আমি তোমার পড়াইরা মতো, তোমার ফোনও কানেক্টেড, আমার ফোনও কানেক্টেড, ইউটিউবে দিছি, এখন কেউ যদি ব্রাজিলে থাকে এও তো দেখতে পারবো। পিপল হু ইজ ইন ব্রাজিল, হি ক্যান অলসো what? Watch your video। Say this is the example of WAN, wide area network। Okay, see now we will discuss about types of network based on topology। Okay, topology, what is mean? What do you mean by topology? See, topology of a network means how the devices are connected to a network। Okay, কি হিসাবে ডিভাইস গুলা কানেক্ট আছে, এখন অবধি তো আমি বুঝাইছি, till now I have explained that how what these computers are connected, but it is connected with the help of a topology, a rule। Okay, so this is the thing, so the devices are connected to the network are arranged। Okay, so what are the different types? See, bus topology, linear topology, ring topology, and star topology, okay, are the common topologies। So what, how many types are there? This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, 4 types of topology we will learn। Okay, So first we will learn bus topology. Okay, bus topology or what? Linear topology. See, it consists of a central cable to which all the nodes are attached in the picture shown below. এখন আমরা will discuss about this picture. Okay, see, in the picture shown below, PCs and the printer are attached to the main cable. See, this is your what? Main cable. Okay, and with the this main cable, this computer is connected, this CPU is connected, this is connected, this is connected, this is connected. Okay, now question arises, if the main cables get what? If the main cable gets disconnected, then all these systems will also get disconnected. Disconnect হয়ে যাব না নি, যদি মেইন কেবলটা কাটি দিই আমি, তাহলে এগুলো তো ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে যাব। তোমার ঘরের, হ্যাঁ, ঘরে আওয়ার আগে যেটা লাইন আয় কেবলের, কারেন্টের লাইন, ওটা কাটি দিলে তো তো তোমার সব রুমের লাইট বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য থিং। ওকে, তো সি, ইট কনসিস্ট অফ সেন্ট্রাল কেবল বুঝাইছে। বাস টপোলজি is the cheapest to install, but it is unreliable because see, if the main cable fails, see, এখনো কইছি, I have said just now, if the main cable fails, the entire network shut down. Okay, all network will shut down if the main cable fails. Okay, now we come to what? Ring topology. Now we come to ring topology. Okay, see, this is the example of ring topology. আতে আংটি পড়ো না নি, ring এর মতো দেখছো সব কম্পিউটার কানেক্টেড। Okay, so this is what? Ring topology. See, in ring topology, the data travels in one direction around the circle from the computer. See, the data is traveling in this direction only. Okay, it is not going in this direction. Okay, it is not going in this direction, it is going in only this direction. Okay, so data travels in only one direction of the computer. এই কম্পিউটার থেকে এটার যাইবো, এটার যাইবো, তারপরে এটার যাইবো, এটার যাইবো, এটার যাইবো। ওকে, so this how a ring topology works. Okay, data travels from one direction around the circle from the computer to computer. Each computer looks at the data to decide whether it is intended or it or not. If not, the data is passed to net. যদি এই ডাটাটা দেখলো এটার লিগে দরকার আছে, তাহলে এটাই লইব। যদি দরকার নাই, if it is not required, then it will pass it to this computer. Okay, it is passed to next computer. It is unreliable, মানে সবে মানে কি বলতাম, generally it is not used. Okay, unreliable as if the main cable fails, the workstations are affected, and even if one workstation fails, the rest of the workstation are affected. See, it is similar like what? Your that topology, bus topology. Okay, see, if this computer gets disconnected, suppose this computer gets disconnected, then the data will not go to this computer na. এখন now if the data doesn't goes to this computer, how will this computer perform? It will not perform na. এটাই যদি দে তাইলেই এটা চলবো, এটা যদি দে না তাইলে কেমনে চলবো? চলতো না না। So this is the thing. Now we will discuss about start topology. Okay, what is start topology? Each device is connected individually to a switch or hub. See, now this is what? Start topology. See, this is a hub or switch. Okay, each devices is connected individually. Okay, and this is the most reliable source of what? Topology. Okay, see, each devices is connected individually to the switch hub. It is expensive to install. Okay, it is very expensive, but it is most reliable. I have said now, just now, it is most reliable. If the main cable fails, only one workstation is affected. ঠিক না নি, এই কম্পিউটার যদি খারাপ হয়ে যায় কোনো দরকার নাই। হ্যাঁ, this can perform, this can perform. Okay, because it is connected to this is the main. Okay, this is the main, and if this get disconnected, nothing happens. If this gets disconnected, this can perform now because it is the main thing. Okay, this is the main. Okay, this is the main, this is the main computer. Okay, so or hub. So if this get disconnected, this get disconnected, nothing happens. Okay, so if a workstation is not working, then it will not affect the working of other. Okay, এখন যেটা বুঝাইছি, এটা যদি কাম না করে তাহলে এগুলা কোনো আসা যেত না, তারা কাট করতে পারবো। ওকে, then it will not affect the other working of the other, since each workstation is directly connected to the server. It is connected to the server. বুঝাই দিছি এটা. A server computer requires a special network operating system. So a server computer, this is the what, your server computer. Okay, this is your server computer, the main in the middle one. Okay, a server computer requires a special network operating system, and other computers connected to the server require to have network settings. Okay, now what is the disadvantage of networking? Okay, these are the disadvantages of networking. Okay, tighter security is needed from virus. Okay, yes, virus can also get affected na. If this computer has virus, it will go, if this computer has virus, this will go to this computer also. So network security is the main thing. Okay, of from viruses. Spams mane, spam means what, unofficial mail you can say, etc., as they can easily creep into a network. High setup and maintenance cost is required for the network. Setup and maintenance cost required is very high. Okay, so this is the thing. Please go through this video, and if you have any questions you can ask me. Okay, see, this is their sum up. Please read this. Okay, it has many answers to a question. So this will be your homework. You will learn this. This is your homework, and you will learn this. Okay, you will learn this at your home. Okay, and in our next class I think I will discuss this true false and choose the correct answer and define the following terms. I will give this question answers. Okay, so thank you students, watch the video very carefully. Okay.